Blake Real Estate, and this video is for all you sellers looking to get top dollar for your home. I recently put together a seller's guide to help you understand the process of selling a home. It also covers things that you should think about doing prior to listing your home to ensure you get multiple offers and really cash in on this hot market. If you're really serious about wanting to get top dollar for your home, please download my seller's guide and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.